Now you will learn how to use the identification workflow of Opus Touch. This workflow provides a dedicated solution for the identification of unknown substances. Start by clicking the Identification button on the home screen. This button is present on the Alpha and EnVenio-S home screens by default. On other home screens it can be added manually. The first step is to measure the background spectrum with a clean ATR crystal. You can get additional help by clicking on the question mark icon on the upper right corner. Tap Measure Background in order to start the measurement. When the background measurement is complete, place the sample on the crystal and apply pressure if needed. You can then enter the sample information. Again, there's a possibility to view additional information via the question mark icon here. A preview of the sample spectrum is visible at the bottom. You can tap on that field in order to enlarge the preview spectrum. Use the gear wheel icon on top in order to configure your input fields. Start the measurement via the Start Sample Measurement button. When the measurement is done, a library search will be automatically performed using the standard algorithm and the last defined libraries. Now you can see the result of the library search. You can toggle through the result lists by using the arrow buttons here. You can also show multiple results at once or enlarge the spectral view here. Finally, click on the Print Report button to create a comprehensive report or on the Next Sample button to measure the next sample. Now you know how to use the identification workflow.